Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you learn how to use your contact from your WordPress contact us page. This is our demo website. Here already create contact us page. Click here. This page is blank. If you want to show here a contact us form that was working, how to set up it? Open your WordPress dashboard. Here plugin option, click add new plugin or install plugin, SMS. Here search contact from, contact from. So here already showing contact from 7 plugin. This plugin already using 5 million plus user. Just install now and active this plugin. Then click settings. Here already showing a default contact form. Edit this. Here showing name, okay, email, subject and message, and then submit option. Click this mail option. Here set your to mail, where mail sent. So here I am typing my email. Now save this. Then here already showing a contact from ID. Copy this ID. Open your page. Here our contact us page. Edit this. Click here, plus icon here, and search shortcode. SS already showing shortcode. Now paste your contact from shortcode here and update this page. When you refresh this page, here already showing your contact from. If you want to test it, type your name, test, mail test @gmail.com, subject demo, test message. Okay, now submit here. Thank you for your message, it has been sent. Now check my email. Here I already get this mail. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. See you on the next video.